Are you ready to give up on your YouTube channel just because it's growing too slowly? You have to stop. Most creators quit just before their channel breaks through. So I'm going to show you why patience isn't just a virtue. It's something that every successful YouTuber swears by. So please keep on watching. So building a YouTube channel is not easy. It's just like planting a tree. The moment you plant a tree, you don't expect fruits to start falling from the tree. You have to wait a bit. So growth takes time. It takes time, it takes nurturing, and it takes consistency. If you're one of those people that usually feel frustrated whenever you look at your subscriber count and your watch time hours, you're not alone. So many YouTubers are just like you, and I am not going to lie, I am just like that. I usually stare at my subscriber count and watch time hours. So in this video, I'm going to explain why patience is critical and how it can help you build your channel, how it is required for your channel to grow. So I'm going to tell you that, and I'm going to also tell you what you should be focusing on while waiting for your breakthrough. But before we begin, please like and subscribe. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I make videos about CapCut tutorials using your mobile phone and YouTube beginner education. So if you want to be seeing more content from this channel, please like and subscribe. We already know the topic of today's video, so I am not going to repeat it. This video is going to be about discussion and interaction. So let's discuss about it. Let's talk about why patience is important to have as a small creator. As a small creator, you need patience. So let's talk about it. First thing that you need to know is growth takes time. You see all the big channels you're admiring today, all those big channels you're looking at today and wishing that your channel is like theirs. Well, let me tell you, they started just like you, and it took them years to get to where they are today. It took some months, it took some years. So you need to understand that growth is not something that happens immediately. And you need to also know that YouTube is not a sprint. YouTube is a marathon. I hope you know the difference between a sprint and a marathon. And it's not just about the speed at which you grew, it's about how sustainable your growth is. So you need to calm down and have patience. As long as you're consistent and you're always uploading your videos, your channel will grow. These bigger channels that you're looking at today, they were once like you and they were consistently uploading videos. That was what made them to blow up. So if you give up right now, if you're impatient, your channel will not grow like theirs. So be patient and everything will be okay. Another reason why you have to have patience is that the algorithm rewards consistency. So you need to be uploading consistently. Like you have to be uploading videos on YouTube. You have to upload like a mad person. Honestly, you have to keep on posting even though you are not getting views. Because the more you're uploading, the more you're telling the algorithm that you're serious about YouTube. And one thing that you need to know is that as you're uploading your videos, maybe for over a year or maybe for over some months, the algorithm will take you serious and one of your videos will go viral. And one thing that you need to know is when that video goes viral, the views from that video will trickle down to your old videos and your old videos will start getting views. Just imagine how it feels. Like imagine you have 50 videos and those 50 videos, none of them have gone viral. Then you now make another video that goes viral. What happens? That your other 50 videos will start getting views and that is a win for you. So don't give up. Be patient. You have to be really, really patient if you want to be successful on YouTube. So just be doing it and everything will be okay. Then again, patience builds resilience. Patience helps you to embrace the grind. Even if it's just one small comment, even if it's just a tiny bump in your watch time, you're going to embrace everything. Me, for example, when somebody comments on my videos, I usually feel happy because it's not easy for somebody to click on my videos and watch my videos and comment. Even if it's just a negative comment or a positive comment, I don't actually care. As long as somebody is watching my videos, like it's the kind of joy I feel. It's not easy on YouTube. So patience will help you to embrace all these things. Plus, the lessons you learned while you're struggling will help you to become a pro. Like it will help you to become a pro when you finally get established on YouTube. So without patience, you're going to give up and you're going to quit just before your channel starts to grow. So I would advise you as a small creator, even though you're not seeing any growth for now, even though you're not seeing any kind of change or any positive something, Just be patient. Something will happen. It will be very difficult. Like it will be very, very difficult. But still, don't give up. I'd like to share a story with you guys. There's a friend of mine, a YouTuber friend of mine. He has like a YouTube channel and he has been creating videos way before me. He started his channel, I think, early this year or maybe late last year. So he's been creating videos for a while and he has so many videos, but his subscriber count is low. It was, I think, 300 and something subscribers. So he was telling me the other day that he was thinking of quitting YouTube, that YouTube is just a waste of time. He's been creating videos and posting videos and nothing has changed. So I told him to not quit. He should keep on posting. That was maybe 3 months or 4 months ago. I don't remember. So I was telling him not to quit, that he should just try to be posting videos no matter what happens. So this guy posted one video last 3 months. He posted one video. I've forgotten the title of that video, but he posted one video, and this video became like this video got a lot of views. It got, I think, before normally the kind of views he usually gets is 1K views, 500 views. Like it does not pass 1K views. So this video got over 20 to 30K views, and he got 10,000 subscribers within the period of 2 weeks. Something that he has been waiting for almost a year. So he got 10,000 subscribers just within 2 weeks. And remember, he's been telling me how he wants to quit. So if he had not posted that one video that went viral, he would have just quit and his YouTube channel would be lost. So you need to understand that YouTube is like, for you to be successful, you need to be really, really patient on YouTube. Don't even give up. Giving up is not, like, it should not be on your dictionary. It should not be on your dictionary. So as a small creator, if you're thinking about giving up just because your growth feels slow, I'd like you to calm down and take a deep breath. Like breathe in and breathe out. Do it again. Breathe in and breathe out. I want you to remember that success on YouTube is built on patience. Just ask those big creators that we have today, Mr. Beast and the rest. When you ask them, they will tell you that they were patient. There was a time that they were posting their videos and they had no views, no comments, and all that, but they kept on posting. They did not quit. They kept on grinding and they kept on posting and they kept on improving. That is what made them to be who they are today on YouTube. So I'm only going to tell you to keep on posting and keep on learning, and with time, everything will be okay. But try to improve. If it's your thumbnail that needs refining, try to improve your thumbnail. Try out new ideas and just wait. Do all these things and wait. And don't forget to be uploading consistently. As you're uploading consistently, the algorithm is going to notice your channel. That is the truth. If you're the type that uploads video once in 2 weeks, you need to stop. You need to change your uploading schedule. At least upload every week, maybe 2 times every week. So with time, your channel will blow up. Just trust me on that. Try to change your thumbnail style. If it's your thumbnail, try to use the right keywords for your titling, and try to improve in short, or just use vidIQ or TubeBuddy or Morning Fame to optimize your videos. Then with time, everything will be okay on YouTube. So my beautiful viewers, if this video resonated with you, if this video, well, like if it resonated with you, just do me a favor by liking this video and sharing this video. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And also, I'd like to hear what you think. Like, what do you think about this video? And please also share with me how long you've been patient on YouTube. Like, how long have you been building your YouTube channel? How old is your YouTube channel? When did you start creating videos on YouTube? Just let me know in the comment section and we will interact in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. So see you guys next time.